Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you could join me again today for another Inspiration Friday. I'm Lisa with Fun Stuff Crafts, and this Friday we are going to do a year in review, and we are naming it the 12 Days of Homemade Gift Giving. Let's start with fun with etching. This was such a fun project that I did, etching wine glasses and even adding a little glitter, or etching on a pie plate. Just add that extra touch to it. Napkin coasters was one of my most popular blog posts that I had. Next up is epoxy cups. Now this is a project I have not done a DIY on, but these have turned into be a very popular item I get requests on quite a bit. And it's fun to make these for different types of events, as you can see here. Then we go to baby shower gifts. These customized gifts just add that homemade touch to all the gift giving. If it's a sign or it is these popular baby stat canvases that I've been doing. I keep getting requests for these and just love making them for friends. Or maybe you've got a baby reveal coming up and you'd like a customized sign. Then we go to fun with HTV, and that's heat transfer vinyl. And here's an example of some fun beer koozies that I made for friends. These tea towels are another popular item that I love to make, and they're so fun hanging in your kitchen. Or maybe you're looking for a special shirt that you want to make. Or what about personalizing some birthday presents for someone? Or maybe you've got friends that have a special event and they need a shirt. Or maybe you have a special puppy in your life. This next project was my first customized build in Cricut Design Space for these cute poop bags. And you may not be able to pick it up, but I even put a poop emoji on them. This next project will definitely take your crafting to the next level. Have you ever thought of taking one of those very special pictures you have and turning it into a shirt? Now let me tell you, these type of projects take a lot of patience and there's a lot of weeding, but the end result is customization. Now, what about those Dollar Tree items? I've had so much fun this past year taking the Dollar Tree items and customizing them with either heat transfer vinyl or just regular permanent vinyl. There's so many fun things you can do. And then there's my Easy Press Mini. I had a lot of fun this year customizing these tennis shoes with my new Easy Press Mini. And what about signs? I did a blog post on showing you guys how I use vinyl instead of paint to make my signs. This next project, my glass cutting boards, I just love because they're both practical because they serve as a cutting board, but they also give you an element of design in your kitchen. So this summer I discovered infusible ink and I called it my game changer. I absolutely love this new product that Cricut came out with, and I've had so much fun making these coasters. Discovering that my maker cuts wood nice has really added a whole new element to my craft making, as you can see with these great stocking tags that I did for the puppies in our life. Next, let's review some of the Christmas crafts we've been doing the last month. The Santa Cam was definitely a hit. And then, of course, we have these glitter balls that we added a little naughty and a little nice on. And then I had fun making these Rae Dunn themed white ornament balls. The chargers are always so much fun to put a little holiday saying on to display all of your great Christmas cookies. This next project was a great housewarming gift that I did for my son, a doormat. How cute. And each year, I always have fun going on my girls' getaway weekend, and I love to make cups for the girls. And then there's paper crafting. I really enjoyed making these cute little tea bag holders this year. And also, this was another very popular blog item, using composition notebooks and turning them into customized journals. Wedding gifts is another thing that you can add your personalized touch to. The different ways that you can do the established signs is so fun to play with, be it a wood round, a tile, or a glass frame. There's so many different things you can do for wedding gifts. So that about wraps up my 12 days of homemade gifts for year-round giving. Thanks so much for joining me for another Inspiration Friday. I hope you liked this project in review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And click the bell and you'll be reminded each time I upload a video. Also, if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, or if you see a project that you would like me to put together a DIY on, I'd love to hear from you. And make sure you hop over to my blog at funstuffcrafts.com, and that's where you will find links to a lot of the DIY videos that we reviewed today.